everybody, welcome back to my channel Pharma as well. I am Devi Sarojini. Main purpose of this channel is to clarify any query related to pharma. If you have any query related to pharma, please feel free to leave a mail to me. I have given my mail ID in the channel description. Please check that once. If you are watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I have come to you with another video about cleaning validation in pharmaceutical industry. Let's have a look about the cleaning validation in pharmaceutical industry. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So I have let's discuss with the topic is how to perform cleaning validation step by step. How to perform cleaning validation step by step. First one, identify process, equipment and product type. Identify process, equipment and product type. Identify the process and the type of products you produce. List the types of dedicated and shared equipment that are used for processing those products. Perform a risk assessment to identify an indicator drug product. The indicator concept allows products to be grouped based on similar formulations, similar active ingredients and shared production equipment. Identify the worst case product based on your assessment of solubility rating and toxicity. Include these details in the validation plan and the validation protocol. Next one, check if the cleaning validation is required. As a rule of thumb, if your process or equipment falls into any of the following type, a cleaning validation assessment is required. First one, holding vessel, second one, mixing vessel, third one, product transfer line. Fourth one, other equipment which performs an automated cleaning of product contact parts. Third one, cleaning validation for new process and equipment. Cleaning validation for new process and equipment. If you are introducing a new process and new equipment into your facility, consider full validation testing in most cases. This involves 3 tests of worst case products with the appropriate number of samples collected. Reduced testing is feasible if all the following conditions are met: identical process or equipment is installed, identical cleaning controls and procedures are achievable, worst case product is the same as previously validated and acceptance criteria is the same or higher than previously validated. Cleaning validation data is available on the previously validated identical process. You should provide an explanation for reduced testing in the relevant validation plan and protocol. Reduced testing may include reducing the number of tests and reducing the sample location to a few key critical areas known to be critical sites or hotspots. For change to current cleaning process and procedures, the extent of retesting may be reduced to a single test. This shall be stated and approved as part of the change request process. Next one, select the worst case product for cleaning validation. Select the worst case product for cleaning validation. For multi-product equipment, it is not practical to validate the cleaning of all products that have one cleaning process and where products are alike in formulation and dosage form. In such cases, you will benefit by selecting a worst case product to represent all products in the process for the purposes of cleaning validation. The worst case selection is based on a scientific justification, that is, the least soluble product produced on a particular equipment or process. This product is then used to validate cleaning for that process or equipment. Next one, acceptance criteria calculations. Acceptance criteria calculations for worst case product. Acceptance criteria calculations for worst case product. The calculation of acceptance criteria is to be based on the most toxic product within a group of products produced in each process. Find the product within the product group that has the lowest active toxicity value in mg or kg. This is the most toxic product. This product will be used for the calculation of acceptance criteria for the first time. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you everybody.